Hey folks, I am back. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been on here, and I'm going to get to the reason for that in a moment. But today I want to talk to you about the fact that you never know what's going to happen, and you need to be prepared. And part of that preparation is putting together a comprehensive estate plan. I am Don Rolfe, the owner and founder of Northwest Legal Planning, an estate planning and probate law firm located in West Linn, Oregon. And like I said, today I'm talking to you about really knowing that the unexpected can happen and that you need to be prepared for it. So the reason that I've been MIA for a while is that I got sick. I ended up coming down with pneumonia. It knocked me out for at least a week and a half. I'm still recovering, but I did spend 3 days in the hospital last week. Recovering, getting IVs with antibiotics and so forth. Doing follow-ups with physicians now to make sure that everything's clearing up as it should be. But it hit me out of the blue. I had no idea that I was going to get sick, let alone with a disease or an illness that is very dangerous. And my time in the hospital and having this come on me so suddenly just made me realize that we really don't know what's coming next. I was very lucky, and I'm very thankful for the fact that I was able to recover quickly. But it just goes to show we never know what's going to happen. We never know what's coming for us the next day, the next minute. And if we're not prepared and we don't have the proper documentation in place, our healthcare directives, our powers of attorney, and all of those sorts of things to make sure that people are going to be in the position to take care of us if we need it. Bad things can happen. Like I said, I was very lucky. I was, lucid and competent the entire time, was able to make decisions, but it could have been a lot worse. And thankfully I have a strong family support and was able to pull through. And I'm back here today talking to you about estate planning again because it is so important. And this event that just happened in my life has just solidified that fact in my head. And I want all of you to really seriously think about the fact, do you have your estate plan in place? Do you have your contingencies? Do you have your what ifs? Do you have your emergency plan? Are you ready for the unexpected if it does happen and when it happens? Because we just don't know. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, right? And I'd love to sit down and talk to you about your estate planning options. Any questions that you have, you can sign up for a complimentary consultation with me by going to myestateplanmeeting.com. I've opened my calendar back up now that I'm back in the office and back into 90% and working hard to get everything caught up and back on track. But if you go to myestateplanmeeting.com, sign up for that complimentary half-hour consultation, either in person or on the phone, and let's get your plan in place. Whether you work with me or someone else, I really, really, really think it's important that you get your estate plan in place and you make those plans for any contingencies that are going to happen in the future. Again, this experience that I just had, I was in the hospital for 3 days, and it has really solidified with me again that this estate planning stuff that I do for people is so very important because we just don't know what's going to happen. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, concerns, schedule a time, myestateplanmeeting.com. I will answer those questions, address your concerns the best that I can, and explain to you your options for estate planning and the absolute parts of it that are absolute necessities for you to have in place. Again, I'm Don Rolfe. I am so happy to be back and speaking with you again. And until next time, take care. Goodbye.